Hey guys, welcome to the session 2 of Swift course. In this session, we are going to learn about how to print the value of an object, what is string concatenation and how to perform it, and then what is string interpolation and then how to do that, and then how to write comment. So first, let's take this one, how to print a value of an object. So let's say we know how to declare a variable or constant, right? So let username equal to pj. So this is my variable, or I mean, so this is my constant. So let's print what value it has. Print username. That's it. So let's click this one, and it is running this, and you can find the output here. So in line 1, the username stored the value pj, and in line 2, when we are printing it, it prints the value pj, and by default this print statement appends a new line character to it. Don't worry about that, just discard it for now. But this is how we used to print and see a value of an object. This print statement we will be using only for debugging purpose, not the, like we won't be using this to print something on the user interface. This is just for debugging purpose. So the same can be used for anything. Literally, you can use this print statement to print and see the value of it of any object, like let number equal to 1, print number, or let has good marks equal to false, print has good marks. So you just play it. So it prints 1, it prints false, everything. So we know how to print. Okay. Next thing, string concatenation. So string concatenation is nothing but, let's say you have your first name and then you have your last name, and then we want to display your full name in the user interface. So what we will be doing, we will be joining or merging your first name and then last name, and then we will be displaying it in the UI, right? So to do that, let first name equal to pj, let last name equal to tech. So we want to join this first name and then last name. So to do that, let result equal to first name plus last name. That's it. And then when you print it, you can find the result here, tech, and we have the pj tech here, and the same, it is printed here. Next one is string interpolation. String interpolation is nothing but creating a string using two different data type objects. For instance, we may having a string, and then we may having an integer value, and then we may inject that integer value into that first string. So for instance, let message equal to total mark is, this is a string, right? And if we try to concatenate as 50, we will get error because the binary operator plus cannot be applied on string and integer at the same time. So this is where the string interpolation comes. So what we have to do is, this is within this string, write this slash and then put up two bracket, open and then close bracket, and then put 50 inside it. So this is called string interpolation. So maybe let's say I have a total mark stored in a different variable. Let's say let total mark equal to 50. Now I want to replace this 50 with this variable, right? So we just have to copy this one and then put it here. That's it. So this is the whole string, but within that string we are injecting different types of object. That's called string interpolation. Next one is how to write comment. As simple as that, like many of the other programming languages has. Put 2 forward slashes and write whatever comment you want to have, like printing a string. Printing a number. You can write anything, whatever you want to have in that comment, you can write anything. So this is single line comment. There might be a case where you may want to write multi-line comment. So either you can go ahead and put another forward 2 slashes and then write your comment, or what you can do is you can write like this, forward slash double star, and you have everything. You can write anything within this block to have multi-line comment, like line 1 comment, line 2 comment, something like this. So this should be enough for today, I think. So in this class we learned how to print a value of an object, how to perform string concatenation, how to perform string interpolation, and then about comments like single line comment, multi-line comment. If you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button so that you can get the notification for my future videos. Thank you.